Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you add friends on Roblox. So at first, just go to your Roblox app. Now into the Roblox app, click the bottom fourth icon, this one. Now here you can see add friends, just click on it. Now you can search for people here in the search bar, any name you want. Now here you can see connect with contacts. You can invite people or connect with your friends who are already on Roblox. Now you can invite your friend according to your contact list. And the third option here is share QR code. You can share your QR code to your friends to make you as a friend. Everyone has a unique QR code in Roblox. By just scanning it, you can friend with anyone. So guys, that's how you can add friend on Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.